What do you want to say to the camera? Can you say hi, camera?
Hi, camera.
Can you say, my name is Ari?
Aris.
Where's your skirt? Skirt. Where's your nose?
Nice.
Where's your mouth?
Nice.
Where's your ears? Where's your hair? Where's your belly? Where's your boo-boo? Where are your knees? Where's Grandma?
Mom.
There she is. Where's Mommy?
Mommy.
Am I right here? Hi. Should we sing a song? You want to do ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Say yay!
Mama.
You want to do row, row, row? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We could do Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Yeah.
Do that with your hands. Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain, washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider came up the spout again. Yay! You do wheels on the bus? You do wheels on the bus? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 do wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. How about the mommies? What do the mommies do? Shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. And no, no, no. All through the town. Let's do one more. How about the, oh I know, the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Is that Daddy? You gonna go with Daddy to get Uncle Mel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here comes Daddy.
Coming, Mom?
To pick up Uncle
Yeah, you
Mel?
don't need to, do you?
Mama.
It's Dada.
Mama.
You going somewhere?
No, I'm just picking him up and bringing him.
Okay, Randy, Ari wants to go with you. No, she wants to go with you. She's been asking to go with you. Okay, go with Dada.
He's
I
ready to
want to
go.
drop in and pick up a cup of coffee.
Well, Randy, she wants to go with you.
I'll go and sit in the car with her.
No,
How's
that's
that?
okay, Ma. You don't have to.
No, she wants to come. She's been asking.
It's too much of a production.
She's been asking all morning to go with you.
We'll be back in a second with Uncle Mel, okay, Ari?
No, she really wants to go, Randy. She's been asking all morning.
We'll be back in a second.
Randy, just take Ari.
Oh,
She's
you can take the trash out. Oh, boy.
looks like it's too late now.